You need a software to interact with the reader. That's why the reader needs to be connected on the network and you need to know the IP address of it. So let's see what we can do with our reader. The user can monitor the receive sensitivity and the transmit power for each antenna. The transmit power is how much power the antenna will send to the tags, and the receive sensitivity is the minimum power the tag has to send back to the antenna to be detected by the reader. So, if I have two items but I only want the closest one from the reader, I can adjust the sensitivity so the furthest one won't be detected. Also, I can disable an antenna without disconnecting it from the reader. As we see, the reader stopped but reported no tags. If we get further into the reader, there are a lot of settings which can be modified. First, the reader mode. The user needs to choose it depending on the environment where the tags are. Each mode comes with a small description. Then the search mode and the session. They select the way the reader will look for tags depending on the states the tags add. You can learn more about those states in the video about the tags. You also have settings concerning the reports you can get. Either you get every single report or you can have them when the reader stops. Those reports always include the EPC of the tags, but you can add the number of the antenna which detected it or when it was detected, among many other information. At last, you can configure automatic modes. For example, immediate means the reader will always start if it is stopped, or the periodic mode, so you can configure a duration when the reader will be reading tags. I have an inventory with hundreds of items represented by these boxes, but I just want to know if the box 1744 is among them. I can use the filter option of the reader, so it will only look for the EPC I want. I want the EPC whose last word is 1744. As you can see, the reader reported only the tag we wanted. The tags are rewritable. Here, for example, let's say the box was mislabeled, so if I write the EPC I want to change in the upper text box, so the reader will know what tag needs to be written, and in the lower box I put the new EPC I want the tag to have. As we see, when I start the reader, we see the former EPC because the reader has to detect it before it can write on it. That's why we don't see it any longer, but we only see the new EPC we wanted.